Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find more similar games on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my garden, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. If you want to find similar games, go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find three sections: the settings, the community, and the more games. If you want to check another games, click to the more games button. And here you can find the Homescapes, Fishdom, Township, Fishdom Solitaire, Manure Matters. And if you want to play one of that, click to the play now button, download it, and you can play with this game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.